What are the other ways that campuses, academia can help with sustainability outside the campuses? One of the best ways is to think of the campus itself as a township. Some of the campuses can have tens of thousands of students, staff, faculty, groundskeepers, facilities, HVAC, and so on, administrators. So it is, in fact, a little township in most cases. And what if the design on campus itself also worries about the issues that urban center cities have to worry about? Resilience in a warming world, and let's say managing water in terms of extreme rainfall with water sensitive design for the campus that can then translate to lessons for cities in the country and across the world. And of course, there are standard approaches already known, such as permeable pavers, green pavements, rain gardens, and soak pits. Various approaches are possible, and they are being implemented in many cities already. But imagine each campus innovating further in these directions: urban design, urban planning, urban resilience, and urban greening for dealing with heat extremes and reducing flood risks and so on. And obviously, these approaches can be used for innovations in design, materials, architecture, urban planning, and also in terms of experimentation. It's easier on a campus to try different things. Of course, cost is always an issue, but in a city, you can hardly experiment. You have to agree on some plan and stick with it, because costs are budgeted and you cannot do too many experiments. So academia can really help cities with climate change impacts and resilience building by using the campuses for design, innovation, experimentation, and education. So students can get involved in designing and say how those can apply to the city outside or nearby. Right? So if there is an IIT in India, in a city or near a city, or in any other country, this example comes from Brazil, where water sensitive designs were done on campus to learn the lessons for urban planning, urban resilience, and dealing with extreme rainfall in cities in Brazil. Okay, so generally a good idea, and the more academia can translate its research to implementation, the better it will be.